Now SHA has updated its system and you can now be able to track your contributions. You can know how much you've contributed and what period you are covered by your SHA Shif contributions. So this is how you can check for your contributions. Now once you log in, you can be able to see how much you contribute per month and per annum. I want you to scroll and come and click on insurance cover. And here you can see PHC is valid and Shif is active. And from there, here is the contribution amount, that is per year. And from there, here is the contribution balance. And the contribution status is eligible, covered up to, that is, for this case, it's 9th of July 2025. And from there, you can see the reference code that you used to pay, the amount you paid, the date you paid, and the status which is processed. So I think this is a good thing that SHA has done so that you as an individual can be able to track how much you've so far contributed and up to what time or month you are covered, so that you know for this month I've paid, and for me to be treated next month, then I need to make my contribution. And as SHA is making some changes on their website, I would wish that if they can make it possible for one to be able to re-edit the means testing, because you find that someone comes and you make the means testing and the figure that they are given to pay per month is too huge for them. When you look at the person himself or herself, you really see that they cannot be able to pay that amount. But once you have already submitted, you cannot be able to edit. Maybe if they can be able to make it possible for one to edit so that you can get a fair charge, so that no one is avoiding to use SHA or is unable to pay for SHA contribution. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be forwarded to more people. If you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on for you to be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on this screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.